Hey guys, Joey from Class J Video Productions here. I went ahead and got a new clock for my room because the one that was in my room before, here I'll go ahead and show you, was too small. As you can see, it's really dim, especially when you're over in the hallway and stuff, and you just can't see it too well. So anyway, with that said, I think that's made by Advance. So anyway, with that being said, I went ahead and got an Equity model 30016 alarm clock. Equity is made by Lacrosse Technology, and let's see, get these two screwdrivers out. There were a couple of reviews saying that this clock had problems with the display, but there are also several good reviews, so I figured the good reviews trumped the bad ones. So whenever you get something like this, it's usually kind of a crapshoot. Man, this is tough to get. This clock is made in China, as are a lot of electronics in this day and age. It does look very easy to use. And there it is. Let's see if I can get this unwrapped. Alright. Well, I don't know. That's really odd. It is really, really odd. I don't know why they have made it so you can't get the wire through. Oh, I see. Yeah, there we go. Finally. Okay. So with that being said, that was a real pain in the butt, but with that being said, go ahead and peel the display off. There we go. And it is a tilting display, by the way, and that does not sound good. There's a tilting display. And we'll go ahead and plug it in. Oh, it looks nice. Let's see, what time is it? 3:08. Hold on. I'll just put the camera right here. Alright, time. .308. We'll go ahead and set the alarm for 309 and give you an idea of how the alarm sounds on this bad boy. And it does have a dimmer, high and low dimmer. Okay, so we'll go ahead and put it on the high. High alarm, see how it sounds. Any second. Wow. So there's the high alarm. There's the low alarm. Alright, that's enough of that. Anyway, so yeah, that is pretty loud. So that should definitely get me up in the morning. I think the low would probably be loud enough. But I think just for kicks, I'll probably put it on high. God knows. That is a loud one. And the alarm speaker is right there. Takes a 9-volt battery right there. Of course, I don't have a 9-volt battery at the moment, so. Low and high dimmer switches right there. Here. Turn off the light. There's low. There's high. High, low, low, high. So there you go. Yeah, I really like it. It's nice. And there you go. It's my new clock. And thanks for watching the Equity 30016.